Day 1.
Hello, people out there. How are you all? I hope you are well and also doing well in your life. So, what's going on? Today is the first day of January 2026, and we all know this is the day is a new day of this year. So, wish you all a very happy new year. Maybe this uh, year brings you a lot of joy, happiness, and a God bless you all the loves and give the special blessings to you all to stay long with me, with your family also, and live long, guys. So we are discuss about the first day. The first day of this year teaches us many lessons. We first thing we uh, learn from this is to forget about your sadness and meet with your family, meet with your friends with a smile. No matter what things are happen in the past, let it be, and uh, give your hugs and smiley faces with great gestures. So yeah, this is a very precious day for all of us, from starting for new days in this year, and not for happiness. This year and this day also comes from to teach us how to start our journey. I am start my journey from the first day of January to 2026, and my one time goal is to I will be fluent in English speaking. No matter what it costs, I will be ready to suffer uh, uh, anything. No matter what it costs, it takes me, I am ready to give it all the things of mine to be a great fluent speaker. And I am also want to you all to uh, to throw yourself in 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 this field of speaking. Not this field of speaking. It is not only way whichever you want. Keep focusing in on your way. Choose the right path which can build a long life victory to you for you. And uh, 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 try to make uh, make make a routine to achieve the thing, achieve your goal on a daily basis, because the dream not come true in one day, guys. So you will be the one, you are the main face of your family. So if you want to be a part of it, be a part of a success journey, you want to be a success person in your life, you have to stand up and throw it all your efforts into whichever field you choose. So thanks to thanks for me thank you for joining this channel and see the video, and we will stay tuned. So this is for today. Stay tuned for next day I will come back from the next videos, and till then keep practice, keep exploring, and be happy always, and keep focusing, because focus, one focus year with disciplined, I thought, is the key of success. So till then, bye bye. Stay tuned with my channel, and bye bye. Jai Shri Ram.